Now, moisturising is an essential part of looking after your skin. Okay. Believe it or not, most guys neglect this process to their detriment, because you've got, again, the sun beating on your skin, you've got all of this adverse effects from the way you feel inside, the sun beating down your skin, maybe lack of sleep, all of this have an effect on the way the skin looks and feels. Moisturizer helps to protect your face. And again, it's the organ that you can't cover up. You're not going to cover your face up. It's always exposed to outside elements. So using a product that has SPF is ideal. So again, using a male-specific product is really, really important. So I'm just going to show you how I'd recommend you use moisturizer. What ideally I recommend you do is apply a small amount and just dot the forehead. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Now apply upwards. Again, if your product contains SPF, just the tops of the ears and the back of the neck. The other thing I recommend to use is using a product for the lips. And this also contains SPF. You can apply that.
Sure. So this has sun protection in it as well?
Indeed it is, yeah. Has SPF in there. Brilliant. That's perfect. So Tom, you might find the eye area needs a little bit more care and attention. Maybe dark circles, and you want to hydrate that area. An eye gel is ideal for that, or an eye cream, Now, how would you use a product like this? You would use a small amount on your ring finger, about that much. Then you would apply it again to your ring fingers like this. Now, what you want to try and do is put it on the bone. So along the bone, never in the eye socket area. The eye area around here, it's almost like a tea bag. It would draw up into the eye, so you don't need to really apply anything in the eye socket area. And this is great for if you've got laughter lines, you want to hydrate those areas, because essentially you want to keep looking younger for longer. This area is extremely delicate. And what guys do is just put that. That. But it's really dabbing it on the bone and allowing the product to soak up into the socket area.